Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add black bars into your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in our video right here. So first of all, we would need to add an adjustment layer into our video. So let's just go for our project panel right here, and you want to click on New Item right here. So if you can see the New Item button, you would need to expand your project panel. So when you click on the New Item, click on Adjustment Layer, click on OK. And then you want to drop your adjustment layer at the top of your clip. So make sure that it's not below anything, as you want your black bar to be on the top of everything right there. And after that, you want to go into Effects panel, and then you want to go for Crop Effect right here, Crop. And then you want to go for Crop, and you want to drag this into your adjustment layer. And after that, after you have selected your adjustment layer into your timeline, you want to go into Effect Controls. And from here, you can see the top and the bottom right here. So this is what we will be using right here as cinematic black bars. And the value that I usually go for is 9. So let's set the value for 9 right here at the bottom. And you would see the bottom, the bar right here, it's 9. And also for the top right here. And now we have a cinematic black bars just like that for the whole duration of the adjustment layer. So if your video is longer, then you can just simply go and expand your adjustment layer. And if you want it to be animated at the end, let's say it starts coming in here at the end, then at the beginning, then we can do that as well. So it's very easy. All we have to do is first reset our values to 0, 0. And after you have positioned your playhead and which you want the transition to start then or to fade in, then we can go for the keyframe at the bottom and at the top. And after that, we want to move for 5 frames maybe, or we can just do it like this one right here, just as when you think it should end. And I'm gonna go for 9 and then 9 right here. And now we have these 2 keyframes, and when we play it, this will be the result. And if you find that it's too fast, then you can just go and select your keyframe again, and you can make it farther. You can move it just like this. The farther they are from each other, the longer it would take for them to complete the movement right there. And just like that. And you could basically do the same thing in reverse if you want it to fade out at the end of the adjustment layer. So from here, let's go for right here. So maybe we want it to start fading out at this point right here. So we're going to go and add a keyframe right here. So let's just reset our keyframes right here. So reset. So here at the end, so we're going to go and go for the bottom right here. And we're going to go for 9 since we are doing this oppositely. So fade out. And then we're going to go here at the end. We're going to go for 0 and a 0 by resetting it. And when we play it, it will be like this. And as you can see, it's just like that. And if you find it too fast, then you can just simply go and drag it right here so that it would be slower, just like that. And now we have this right here, fade out transition. And yeah, that is basically how you can do your black bars right here in Adobe Premiere Pro. So thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.